Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 14 minus y equals 12. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 14 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative y equals negative 2. The variable coefficient is negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1 to leave the variable alone. Quick check, substitute 2 for y. Both sides equal 12, so the equation balances. So, y equals 2.